Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I want to share with you guys how to bake your butter bread locally. So let's begin. With this recipe you don't need a bread maker or an electric oven or anything special. So in a cup of warm water I have just added my yeast, and to activate it I'll add some sugar and give it a quick stir. Then I'll cover it and go ahead to mix all dry ingredients. By the time I finish mixing my dry ingredients, my yeast too will be activated. So I have 3 cups of sifted flour. I'm adding milk powder, some sugar, salt, and I'll mix everything. I'll be adding my nutmeg too, but this is optional if you don't want your nutmeg to be part of your bread making. The nutmeg is just to give it some flavor. So now I've added 110 grams of margarine. I'll keep on mixing it this way till every part gets the butter. Now my yeast is activated. See how it has activated? I'll just add some to form my dough. Don't worry if it is too soft, you can still add some of your flour and keep on working on your dough. So now see how my dough is. It's not too hard and it is not too soft. So this is how I want my dough to be. I'm using soft flour. You can also buy the hard flour to make your bread. So in a bowl, I'll just smear every part with oil. Then I'll put the dough in it and cover it. I'll keep it in a warm place for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, it has doubled in size. You can see it even pushed the lid upwards. So now on my board, I'll sprinkle some all-purpose flour. Then I'll remove my dough onto it and I'll gradually knead it so that it will become very smooth. I'll continuously knead my dough for 10 minutes. This requires a little more energy. Please, lovely people, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my video. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos from this channel. Now I'm trying to cut it into 4 pieces. Then I'll mold it into ball shapes. But before that, I'll pick my baking tin and I'll spread some margarine all over it. So I'm just making my baking tin ready before I'll mold the dough and put it inside the baking tin. So see how I'm making it. These shapes are optional depending on how you want your bread shape to look like. It's your choice. You can make it the normal bread shapes that we always get from the markets or the bakery shops. After molding everything into my baking tin, I'll cover it and keep it in a warm place for 1 hour. After an hour, this is what I now have. it has also doubled in size. This is so interesting. So I have an egg here which I'll use to brush the top of my dough before I bake it. So I'm outside my kitchen. I have my local oven here which I'll use to bake my bread. So for now it is very hot. The oven is very hot. So I'll put it at the top. I preheated it for more than 30 minutes and I'll close it gently. So after some 20 minutes, I'll bring it out and put it to the bottom. If you don't have money to buy the expensive ovens, you can buy this simple one from the market and you can use it to bake everything that you want. So after additional 20 minutes, my bread is ready. Wow, this is so nice and soft. So that is how you can bake your bread locally without the use of electrical ovens or gas ovens. I'm spreading some margarine and I'll divide it and share it among the children. See how soft the inside is. Wow. The kids around are even happy. They are going to enjoy this delicious bread. See how soft it is. Very soft. I want to show you the inside of it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.